A 1962 Jaguar E Type 3.8 litre Semi Lightweight Coupe. Entered from the Merlin Collection, it's a home market car supplied new via Henlys of London. Extensively restored and reconfigured for competition use in 2000 and 2001. It's road legal and tractable but current FIA HTP. There's a Rob Beere engine developing over 340 brake horsepower, yet docile enough for road use. It's been used by the vendor as an exhilarating fast road car with its suspension recalibrated accordingly and a bespoke peg drive space saver wheel made especially for it.